Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wakas Tariq Paracha, and I have done my MS Computer Sciences. And today I am going to present a topic related to data structure, named as hash map in data structure. As I have boundness of 10 minutes, so without any delay, I am going to start my lecture. Today's agenda is all about related to hash maps, in which we will learn about hashing, why hashing is necessary, hash tables, hash functions, types of hash functions, division methods, with the division method, with mid-square method, with digit folding method, and characteristics of good hashing function. Hashing is the mathematical technique to convert a key into an index array. Key is basically the element which we are placing in our hash map using hashing or hash functions. It is useful if we have keys with a limited set of unique values. Actually, hashing means to divide some very big value into small pieces using different techniques known as hash functions. Here we will also discuss these techniques, how we convert the big value into some small values and place it in an array for better search options for fast retrievals. Our table. It's really common to know that why hashing is using in all these arrays, as other functions are also here, other techniques are also here, cause hashes are designed so that you may find a variable without knowing its location. Hashing can be used to find any variable without using its actual value, cause it is converted into small value and placing in hash map or hash table. In hashing, retrieval is much faster, cause the big value is converted into small value, and as we know that small value is much faster to gain as compared to large value. In common observation, we can search 5 is much faster as compared to 5 lakhs, as more than time accesses. Accessing data records are also hashes are designed to so that you may find a variable without knowing its location. In hash mapping, retrieval is much faster compared to other searching algorithms. Hashing is much faster than other searching algorithms. Hashing is also a common method of accessing data records, cause we already discussed it makes search result more quicker by dividing the actual big value into small value. Hashing is much more efficient than searching through all the records till the matching record found. Hash technology in hash maps is much faster retrieval algorithm, cause it chop the values of the actual value into small keys, and these keys are placing in hash table, hash map. So when you put any algorithm, these values are search in the hash map, hash table, so it's more efficient than searching through all the record till the matching record is found and we can retrieve it. Hash map or hash table. Now towards hash map, as we discussed earlier, that placing the data, this data is known as key, in an array with an arranging form is known as hash mapping. Hash table or hash map is a data structure. It's also known as data array, in which we put our main function, our main elements, our main keys after applying the functions which we discuss later. These elements are here, and after the applying the hash functions, these will be put in this hash map or hash table. So each array has an access point, and after applying the hash function, each key known as key, when we put this into the array, this become a key, and each key will be put in some specific space which hash function will be decided for it. Elements after applying hash functions become keys, and keys become hash after applying hash functions become again elements. So the retrieval and placing of data take places. Hash function is well defined procedure which serve for hash map. Hash function is a well defined procedure or mathematical function that converts a large possible value possibly variable size amount of data into small datum. Hash function converts large values, like to say that we will discuss later how it converts and how the techniques we can adopt for converting these values. If this value is converting through hash functions and put in the place of hash table. The values returned by hash functions are hash values. When after for retrieving, when we retrieve the data, this convert into hash values. These keys are known as hash values, and user or computer data operator can retrieve the data, and known as these data is known as hash values. Hash table algorithm calculates an index from the data item keys and use this index to place the data into the array. Hash table in hash table we will put the function after converting through hash functions, and this hash functions is also applied for hash table. The implementation of this calculation is the hash function. Calculation is after calculating the data, we implement this function and place the value in hash map. File organization. How file organization in hash mapping is done is a bucket in a hash file is unit of storage that can hold one or more record. This is known as bucket. This all is known as bucket. We will discuss it how this bucket is fulfilled by implementation of the calculation in hash function. Basically, to insert a record in that bucket, we already this bucket. To insert a record in the structure, compute the hash value hk and place the record in the bucket address returned. For lookup operations, compute the hash value as above and search each record in the bucket for the specific record. To delete, simplify, lookup and remove. First of all, we will discuss hash, how we place hash keys into the hash map. First hash function we will discuss is division method. In this, the hash function is dependent upon the remainder of the division. As you know, the I is basically known as key, and key is less than equal to array length. Key is greater than equal to array length. Array length is less than equal to key. Store at index I reminder array length. Key, which we want to store the data, reminder, and the array length. This will make a datum and place it into the hash map. So we will check how it works, as we want to add 41, 34, 17 and 18, and the array length is 10. So we will place with hash functions that I reminder 10. First of all, we will take 41 as key, 41 reminder 10. Now we check what happened. Let's check that 41 reminder array length is 41 mod 10 is equal to 1. So in hash map, it will place at index 1. 41 is placed at index 1. First key is retrieved, or first key is placed as 41 is more than the length of the array. Without hash functions, we can't put that into our data set, into our array, into our hash table. So we use the functions I reminder array length, and it become 41, and 41 reminder mode 10 is equal to 1, and it place it 41. For 34 we will use 34 reminder 10, which makes it 4 is equal to, and the 34 will be placed at 4 place. Next one is that 17 it will be placed at 7, and 18 it will be placed at number 8. The other option, second function is mid-square method. In mid-square method, we will use size of the table, as mid-square method shows that in this method, firstly key is squared, and then mid part of the result is taken as the index. For example, consider size of the table is 1000. When we want to place the record 3101, as it is larger than size of the table, so we will multiply 3101 into 3101, and the result will be 9616201, and we will take middle digits 162, and this will be placed at 162 address number, index number, and this data will be placed at 162 index number. The third one is digit folding method. Size of the table is, in this method the key is divided into separate parts. We will divide the value in 3 different parts. After dividing them, we will add them. Now let's check what is going on. 124655 plus 12 is equal to 791, and this key will be placed in the size of table of 1000 in hash map at the place at the index of 791. This is third hash function. Now what are the good characteristics of good hashing function? The hash function should generate different hash values for similar strings. Here we have a question that if 2 same values can be here, so what then collision will be occur, and it's not a good hash function which takes many collisions in the same time, but we have some different functions to avoid collision. The hash function is easy to understand and simple to compute. Hash functions in hash table should produce the key which will get distributed uniformly over an array. Our number of collisions should be less while placing the data in the hash table. Hash function is perfect hash function when it uses all the input data. Thank you so much. As I have a time boundary, so I want to conclude my topic. Thank you so much for being a good listener for me. I'm really thankful to give a chance to me for this platform. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.